What's up, Madalang Online? Yeah!
Madalang people, pwede nyo na po mapanood ang official trailer ng Mujige sa Cinema Bravo. At pwede na po kayong mag-post ng inyong online reactions. At sana naiyak kayo sa trailer namin. Don't forget to tag us. At sama-sama po tayong mag-bonding. Excited kaming makita kayo sa lahat ng SM Cinemas nationwide ngayong October 9. You wanna say something?
Yeah, thank you for having us, Madalang people. See you on October 9. Fighting! Love it!
Yay! Congratulations in advance. Congratulations.
Thank you. Abangan natin yun.
Here. I'd like to introduce, of course, the very blooming and gorgeous Miss Alexa Alacad, who's going to play the role of Sunny. Say hi to everyone muna.
Ayan, hello po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for being here with us today. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with us, and excited na po kami to answer your questions for our movie Mujige.
Thanks, Alexa. Biglaan yan, girl.
May request si Alexa, pwede daw ba i-stop lang dito? Ayan. Ang ganda, di ba?
Okay. Yung istorya dyan.
Diyan ka lang ako makikitang maganda. Pelikon na na yan. Yan lang. Kaya, inhale.
Sabi niya sa akin, direct, pwede isang eksena lang maganda ako. Oh, ayan. Oh.
Bigay mo lang din. Sige
Ganda, di
no.
ba?
So, stress siya sa ibang eksena.
Mas maganda.
Okay. May story yan for sure. At gusto namin malaman yan at mapanood. Sa premiere night pa lang, gusto namin mapanood yan, October 8. For our first question, I think si Neil has a question. Neil Ramos.
Good afternoon. Kung na bakit tayo po, may meaning po ba yung Mujige or just a regular green?
Yes.
Ang Mujige ay ang ibig sabihin po ay rainbow. Kasi po, si Alexa is Tita Sunny. Yung nanay ni Mujige ay si Reynalyn. So kapag merong araw at merong ulan, meron tayong Mujige. Yes. So Mujige is the rainbow in Korean.
Direct, ito talaga sa'yo na rin naman. Ito na, direct, kung saan naman yung working relation ng ating dalawang, I think first time nila mag-work together.
Yes.
How was it? Madali ba the chemistry and all?
Yes. Ayun, ano nga first time ko silang lahat makatrabaho. So, I was really surprised. Una, dito muna kay Mujige, abangan niyo siya, she's a gem. As in, feeling ko siya ang next Judy Ann Santos. Ang ganda-ganda ng mata ng batang to. Abangan niyo talaga. The entire film, iiyak kayo dahil sa kanya. Alexa, I'm very impressed kasi hindi mahirap i-direct si Alexa. Ang pinakagusto ko sa kanya, she listens. Binasag ko nga siya dito sabi ko, ayoko ng perfect na acting. Kasi perfect talaga siya. Magaling siyang magbigay ng beat. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, I want to challenge you to be more vulnerable. Diyos ko, pag nagtitake kaming lahat, tulala. Ganon. So, abangan nyo, I think this is an acting piece for Alexa. More than anyone in the film, it's Alexa's acting piece talaga. And then, so yun, the experience between these two, and especially Mujige also, very easy to work with kasi they all listen. And at the same time, ang pinakagusto ko is that they made sure that the environment for Riley is really conducive for a kid. It's always playtime, kumbaga, kung filming na kami. So, yeah.
Sa totoo lang po, Ate Tess, nung first shooting day ko talaga, grabe yung kaba ko. Kasi parang bigat nung kwento sa akin Kasi medyo malaki yung role ni Sunny. And malaking part siya ng story nila ni Mujige. So, iba yung takot ko din nung first shooting day. Pero nabasag lahat ng fears ko nung nag-start na kami mag-roll, nung nakita ko na kung paano si Direk mag-direct at kung paano yung chemistry din namin ni Ryrie. So, naging ano na lang siya, sobrang chill working experience, very, very fun. Nilook forward ko everyday na gagawa kami ng eksena. Kahit sobrang hirap ng eksena, or kinakabahan na talaga ako, I knew na I was in good hands naman talaga. And this is a film, or isa to sa mga ginawa ko na sobrang proud ako. And sobrang excited ako na mapanood. Feeling ko mga 10 times ko siyang papanood. No joke.
That's nice to hear. Kim, Jisoo, how was it working with Alexa? And of course, our little kid here, I'm very talented. And si, like,
Yeah. As I heard, she's one of the superstars in the Philippines. So I was honored to work with her. And also director, you know, he has always a plan. So it's easy to just follow his direction. So it was really easy because he know everything about the movie. So, and especially Lily, when I saw her at the first, I thought, oh, she's gonna be big star because she's really talented and she's a good kid and very cute.
talented.
Is super talented. Yeah, she's copy well and learn really fast and expression is she's really good.
Very authentic.
Happy, yeah. So I was happy to work with them.
Okay, thank you. I think we're gonna get her number later. Okay. We have a question from Nikki Wang.
Thank you, Tess. First of all, congratulations to the entire cast and the people behind the film. Direct, my first question is, in my understanding, it's like a mother story, but with a twist, no? But can you share with us what's the, you know, the inspiration behind the film?
Ayun, to be honest, as a millennial din, parang I represent those na hindi pa gustong magkaanak. Yung may choice ka, it's a, di ba, modern take na siya ngayon eh. In the film, mararamdaman niyo siya. So, parang gusto kong i-challenge yun na we can open that idea na pwedeng hindi magkaanak, but the film bridges that na pwedeng hindi ka magkaanak pero you're capable of loving a kid. You're capable of raising a kid even if hindi mo siya anak. So, yun yung gusto namin iparating na meron ng ganong mga thinking and ina-acknowledge natin yun. Yun yung jump off talaga din namin to have that connection, ma-bridge yun. So, yun yung inspiration.
So may parang personal ang story.
Pero hindi ka naman sinasarado din Parang ano lang, parang na-realize ko, even sa circle of friends ko, marami talaga din ang 35 na ako so marami sa amin sa circle of friends ko na wala pa rin talaga.
So in that case, who should watch the movie?
I'm sorry?
Who should watch the movie?
Who should watch the movie? Ano siya general pa rin siya, family. Kasi kahit hindi, ito yung copy na nilagay ko dyan, para sa mga nanay. Kasi maantig ka talaga kung nanay ka. Para sa mga gustong maging nanay. Kasi yung ibang hindi pa nabibiyayaan, nagtatry pero hindi pa rin. May message din kasi yung pelikula dyan. Para sa mga ayaw maging nanay, para din sa kanila to. Kasi hindi nabibilip, hindi ka kontrabida sa pelikulang to dahil ayaw mong maging nanay. And then para sa mga pinipiling gustong maging nanay, kahit hindi sila nanay. So medyo siya talaga, it circles around pagiging nanay, yung pelikulang to.
Thank you, Derek. Next question, Alexa. You know what, Alexa, to be honest, parang we were surprised when we saw you earlier. Wow, parang you look different. You look radiant. I don't know what I don't know what you did, but yeah, you look so beautiful.
Thank you po.
No, I would like to piggyback on the line sa theme song. When you say laban lang fighting, yun. Siguro recently Saan mo pwedeng i-apply yun in terms of your career sa showbiz?
Oo, lagi ko po siya na-apply. Because there are times when I would get burnt out. Or, because I've been doing this for such a long time po. And it can get frustrating at times when I have a goal for myself and I'm not able to achieve it. Or if I feel like I'm working so hard towards something but the universe doesn't want to give it to me. Or sometimes I feel like, oh, maybe this is not for me. I get those moments of doubt all the time. All the time. Sometimes to the point na I already think of quitting. But then there's always this voice at the back of my head who says, laban lang, fighting, all the time. Kasi mahal ko itong ginagawa ko. And I also know na hindi ko kayang hindi to gawin. This is all that my body knows to do. It's what my heart and my mind wants. And kapag nga po tinatanong ako, kung di ka artista, ano ka? Hindi ko alam. Artista lang talaga gusto kong gawin sa buhay. Kaya laban lang, fighting talaga na kung hindi to para sa akin, pipilit ko. Pipilit mo. Laban lang, fighting talaga. Ayun po.
Pero on a different note, parang sorry, talagang I just got surprised that you look different in a positive way.
Thank you.
What did you do?
So many people have been saying that. Parang gulat na gulat naman po kayo sa aking mukha. Hindi naman ako nagbago. Siguro po, slight changes sa lifestyle. And nag-focus din ako talaga on trying to better myself, for myself. And actually, i-commend ko din yung partner ko si KD kasi nagkaroon siya ng change in lifestyle. So, dahil lagi kami magkasama, nahahawa din ako, nahahawa ko siya. For the past 2 years, I've been working so hard in the gym, practically live in the gym, and I tried to build a better relationship with food. So, I think it's helping.
Yeah.
Also, thank you,
Staying
Dr.
on.
Rabello. Thank you so much sa mga treatments. Thank you po, Hulog ng Langit. So, lahat po ng pwede kong gawin para gumanda, ginagawa ko po talaga.
Pero maganda ka naman even before.
Thank you
Pero
po.
you look much better now.
Thank you po. Yun po kasi yung goal ko. Gusto ko lang po mag-improve sana.
Thank you, Alexa.
Thank you po.
And last question ko kay Riley. Hi, Riley. How are you?
Okay naman po.
You're so sweet. One question lang. What's your biggest dream?
To be an actress.
Being an actress. Why?
I want to help my mom.
Oh, that's so sweet. Why do you wanna help your mom?
Because she's working hard. For me.
You know what? You're doing a great job. You're doing a great job. And congratulations for, for being in this film. Diba? It's a like character. That's a big achievement for your age. Congratulations. Thank you.
So yeah, right now you're just 24 years old. Pero as a result of doing this movie, may na-form ba sa isipan mo about how it is to really be a mother or your ideas about motherhood and raising kids? Nagkaroon ka ba ng takeaway as a result?
Well, I realized also how hard it is to be a guardian. Not, dahil ako po dito, ako yung part na pinipiling maging nanay. Doon sa service namin na sabi ko, Direk, I don't think it's gonna be hard for me to act na hindi ako affectionate sa bata. Kasi hindi naman ako, I'm not really fond of kids in general until nagkaroon ako ng pamangkin. Dalawa na po yung pamangkin ko. And honestly, they changed my life. Pero sila lang talaga yung batang gusto ko. Sila lang yung batang favorite ko. Pero after working with Ryrie, sabi ko, cute naman pala sila. Okay naman din pala. Parang they're fun to be with. And she's so mature for her age. So mature. Kulang na lang po pag heart to heart na kami. 6 6 na. 6. Para na po kaming nagtotropahan sa set. Ang saya niya kasama. And yun, actually takeaway, sabi ko, it's so hard to be a mother. And while shooting, namiss ko yung mom ko palagi. And it takes so much selflessness to be a mom. Nasabi ko din sa sarili ko, kaya ko ba to ever? Parang, of course, the Alexa that is me today, wala pa po yan sa isip ko talaga. As in, hindi ko pa po naiisip at all na me as a mother, me with a family, and I don't really think of that. Right now, it's not something I want. And I want to build a career. I want to become really, really rich and all. And I know that that can be pretty hard if you are supporting a kid. Pero, na-open din naman po ako na parang, it's not so bad naman pala. Na maybe one day, as long as I'm stable, and if I have a good partner with me, I think maybe I would like to, try to have a family, have a kid. But actually, right now, I'm a fur mom. And that is also hard work. And it's something that I really enjoy. Pero yun po, after shooting this movie, medyo na-open naman ako sa future. For the possibility na maybe in the future. And feeling ko mas naging mabuting tita rin ako after shooting this movie. Kasi mas naintindihan ko rin mga bata, kung paano sila alagaan, paano sila kausapin, how to be a better guardian. So, yeah.
So, follow-up question lang. So, can we assume na wala ka pa talagang any idea kung like what age ka magkakaanak or what age ka magkakaanak?
Dati po, sabi ko, gusto ko, 26. Nung bata pa po ako, sabi ko, gusto ko 26. 24 na po ako. Ang lapit na nun. So sabi ko, okay, move natin ulit. Gusto ko 30 para, di ba, tayo mga babae, may biological clock down, daming ina-overthink, daming iniisip. Pero ngayon po, sabi ko, oh my gosh, it's so hard to sustain this life, ang taas ng mga bilihin, etc., our economy, ang hirap. So sabi ko, okay, move ko ulit. Kung kailan na lang, sobrang yaman ko na.
Thank you to the staff who are here. Si Noemi, our line producer, Rolly, our casting director, our PM is Eds, and Almira is one of our production staff. Hopefully, I didn't forget anyone. Higit sa lahat, maraming salamat sa ABS-CBN at kay Tess for putting this together. And thank you to you guys. Please support us. This is our comeback film as Unitel Productions. And hopefully we continue. We have a full slate until next year. So, hopefully we'll see you again. Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Direct, please invite everyone po.
Ayun, nasabi ko na kanina, salamat sa suporta niyo sa LOL at sana ituloy-tuloy niyo siya sa Mujige. Ito rin po ang comeback film ko after 7 years. So, yes, I'm doing my film yet again. So, thank you so much for your time.
Okay, Kim Jisoo, would you like to invite everyone?
Yes, maraming salamat po. October 9, SM Cinema.
Alexa!
Ayan, thank you po ulit so much for being here today. Maraming salamat po sa oras ninyo. At ngayon pa lang po magpapasalamat na ako sa mga posts ninyo in the future. Sana rin po kapag napanood nyo ang aming film, please help us spread the word. Isama nyo na po yung pamilya nyo, barkada nyo, mga kaibigan nyo, lahat po. Because this is a film for everyone and we really do hope that you guys enjoy it. Again, Mujige po, showing na po October 9 in SM Cinemas nationwide.
Last but not the least, of course, Riding Sophia ang ating Mujige. Hello! Ayan, please invite and thank everyone for coming.
Please po manood po kayo ng Mujige. Kasi po, nakakayak po to. I-ready na po nyo yung mga tissue. Tapos pamilya po to.
There we have it. Maraming din salamat for joining us today. Again, I'll see you po October 8 sa SM